everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'd love to talk to you about this compassionate project that I've been working on for the past few years. It's a really interprofessional collaborative. Really want to share about the impact for today. This is a 5-year journey. Started with a compassion on concussion education. Subsequently collaborated with many different stakeholders, including postgraduate medical education, undergraduate medical education, other healthcare professionals, as well as patients and caregivers. This project, to make it to be sustainable, it requires really all people's work, not just one person. And I'm so fortunate to be able to share this result with you. After doing this project for 5 years, 3 medical education journal publication has completed and 5 more to go. Being sitting on the chair committees at international organizations such as ACRM, as well as AAP, which allow me to further collaborate to work on other policy improvements such as position paper, white paper. I'm also part of Royal College, CAMET 25 Humanism Expert Working Group, National Advisory Committees, as well as member recognition committees. All these memberships really allow me to exert my principle for EDIA, equity, diversity, inclusion. In terms of the teaching, starting with a self-study guide, subsequently academic half-day, clinical rotation, and using peer teaching strategies to allow them to teach back. The whole curriculum design really focusing on spiral, reflective learning. And they do reflection before and after the academic half-day, at the end of rotation. They do monthly reflective case log to really monitor for their learning. Some really promising results demonstrated sustainable knowledge gained over 10% at 6 months' time. Positive behavioral change, being more aware of their limitations, being successful in terms of having transformative learning. What I like to do moving forward is to combine this with AI technology to make this to be more sustainable. I've been lobbying this for a number of years now, and we have made some really significant progress. Some of the impacts that we have made, including multiple awards, 2021, collaboration with Family Medicine colleague, leading to a Dr. Waddington Awards. 2022, Leadership Awards at U of T. And 2023 is one of my learners who got the CAM Rising Star Awards. Subsequently, this project also received the CIHR Research Award, Medical Education Scholarship Awards at U of T, as well as TCAM Rand to support the development of this AI product. Reflecting back, what really inspired me to do this is lots of energy, compassion in terms to my work. I do quite a bit of neurorehabilitation, and that's also how I get involved into concussion care. To make this successful, we need you to collaborate with us to make this to be powerful, successful, and sustainable. What do I want to do differently or do better? Starting collaboration early, constantly communicating, being a really proficient, dynamic, inclusive leader. In terms of the future, I want to continue to be engaged in medical education research and continue to be a successful leader in this field of neuro rehab. This is my spiral design 5-year logic model explaining how this works and how this in terms of changing outcomes. Happy to chat more with you to explain to you in details of how to unfold this. Thank you once again for all my mentor support. Without them, this project will not be successful. What I'm looking forward from you is to collaborate with you all for this Compassion AI project. Please feel free to connect with me. Looking forward to hearing from you.